position that it's not about you, man, does the whole dynamics of the sales call change. It's not about you. It's not about whether you can help someone. It's about whether they need help, and more importantly, what do they have to gain or lose if they don't get that help. All right, let's move to the first slide. Asset optimization. If salespeople could take on what I call a business owner mentality or a CEO mentality, where they almost believe as if they have P&L responsibility, where the company charges back the salesperson for the costs that they incur to help them to sell, but to be fair-minded, they return that amount of money as a potential in raised commission when they make a sale. So your costs go up, but then your back-end benefit goes up as far as your commission goes up. So it's a fair deal, but if you were charged back all the costs that your company incurs to help you sell, you would be far more focused and razor sharp as to with whom and under what circumstances you will try to engage a customer or a prospect. Because the time and the resources that before you felt were not really assets that you had to protect, now you have to protect them. And now you become much sharper about not believing that it's the solution that will drive the sale, but it's being with the right person under the right circumstances with the right timing. And because you'll have to pay for all the things that the company uses to help you sell, you're not going to waste your time and effort on people who Moses couldn't sell. So there are 5 key assets that salespeople have to guard and protect. The first asset is time. Time is one of the single most important assets. The problem is, or the biggest challenge I hear from salespeople is that customers always are wasting my time. Why do they waste your time? They waste your time because they believe you are more than comfortable yourself in wasting your own time. And they simply just return the favor and waste your time because they don't believe that you're overly concerned about that. They don't believe you